Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a habit tracker in Notion. So let's get started. So first you want to open a new Notion page. And then go to the side here to find the three dots and then put it to full width. Open up full width. And now title this habit tracker, and then you could also add an icon, like for example a check, and then add cover to, I'm gonna upload my own file, so but you can also use Unsplash. And then now it's putting the cover, so I'm gonna just reposition this. And then now we're actually gonna get started with the actual habit tracker. So first I'm gonna enter and then put, you could just to make a line, a divider, you could use the dash, or you could just put slash divider. And now we're gonna put slash table view. So it will be a table view, and then new table. So it will be a new table. And now, as you can see, there's tags, name. I'm actually gonna rename the table to, I'm gonna call it habit. Actually, I'm gonna call this habit tracker. So now I'm gonna just add a check, so it will be there. And then now so here I'm gonna title this habit tracker. So yeah, so now I'm gonna rename, actually I'm gonna edit property and then type as checkbox. So yeah, now you could add the checkbox property name as your habit. So for example, run, and then we'll change this to our person running, and there, now it's there. So now you actually want to make this smaller so it won't take so much space. So just go to beside the plus here and then make it smaller like this, and then make it as small where the text can be seen. Now I'm actually gonna duplicate this and then title it, for example, drink water, and I'm gonna put a glass of water, and then yeah, so now it's clean. So now you could add more habits, for example so probably read a book, and then change that to a book. So yeah, so now it's basically obvious. And then I'm gonna retitle, rename the name. So I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna call it habits, and there it's change. So now you want like a habit for like every day. So I'm gonna delete these. I'm gonna delete these, and then here you could see the new, and then the plus. No, not the plus. The arrow, and then you could press the arrow plus new template. So add a template, and here you could see your habits like run, drink water, read a book. So you want to call this template at today. So there's two choices. There's today, July 29, 2024, but you don't want the actual date of today because it will always add the date today. So you want to press the today date when duplicated, and now it's like add today. So you could also add like an icon, like for example a sun, and then yeah, you could basically check it off here or like at the table. So I'm gonna press this arrow again and press the three dots beside the like today, and I'm gonna set as default. So it says use today as default template when creating pages, and then now you have to press for all views and habit tracker. So yeah, basically if you click this row, it would always be today, and it would be checked out. So you could just click it whenever you want to do like your habit tracker and stuff. And oh yeah, that's basically how to put yeah. So that's the first table, I guess. And you could also calculate this. So you could go down here and then calculate, and then you could do percent. And then, so what if it was like that? Okay, so now we want the percent empty. If it's empty, to 0. Actually, I'm gonna use count for all. It doesn't seem to work, but you could add it if you want, but I'm just not gonna add it. So yeah, so that's basically like the regular habit tracker. If you press new again, you'll have like another today. So and then it will actually like show in like every single like I guess day. Like for example, you have this as today, and then like tomorrow it would be yesterday, and then the day after tomorrow it would be the day today, like for example Tuesday. And yeah, that's basically how to make the simple habit tracker. It's very easy. You could duplicate this and then add the filter and stuff, but yeah, this is for like simple. So yeah, so that's all for today's video, and see you again next time. Bye.